If you're just starting out in the world of fat tire adventuring, you'll need a bike you can rely on, a companion that'll be with you over every pebble, rock and route, no matter where your curiosity takes you. That's why we designed the AIM, using our expertise in aluminium frame building to create a bike that's perfectly suited to the job. You're assured a comfortable ride and safe, intuitive handling thanks to our agile ride geometry and light, strong aluminium light frame. Fitting fenders or a rack is quick and easy thanks to our cunningly hidden mounting system. Internal cable routing minimizes maintenance and complements the AIM's clean looks and, of course, we selected reliable components to keep you riding rather than fiddling with adjustments.